Good morning. Okay, you can see my chainsaw, and this tree in the center of the frame is a very tall but small diameter yellow pine, and I need it out of here. It's in the roadway, and it's going to go, if all goes according to plan. Well, here's my truck, and it's gonna be a safety pull. I know it's facing the wrong direction, but you'll see. We are pulling. It's an indirect pull. So there's the cable. It goes all the way down to the rigging on that tree. That's in a straight line. That's exactly where I want this tree to go. The cable will come back after I put the undercut in it, and it will attach up here on the tree. Unfortunately, I'm by myself, won't be able to video it, but I'll show you the results if I survive. I've got the other cut in the back cut of this thing. Got the red side on the now we'll just ease it on over with the Alright. Let's see if we got things lined up, and this could very well hang up in all of those trees, but I've got a backup plan. So let's get back in the safe zone and see what happens. Boy, that's threading the needle, if I don't say so. There we go. Pretty good holding width. Back again from a different perspective. This is my neighbor's driveway. This is the very top of the tree. It just about crossed his driveway. And see if I can bring it up. Way back there is where the stump is, as far as you can see on this. Right up there. I'd say this tree is about 120, 125 feet. It's quite tall for a tree that's only about 16 inches in diameter at the butt. Okay, I got one more tree to drop today, and it's this little Douglas fir right in front of me. It's even smaller than the pine, and it's not as tall. It's probably 70 feet tall or so, maybe a little more. And I'd like to drop it right across, just to the right of this stump. It's gonna have to kind of thread the needle as well. It's gonna brush some trees, but I don't think it'll get hung up. So we'll see how this goes. This tree may even be a slower growing tree than the pine. I don't know if these growth rings will show up, but these trees are very old on this property and very small. And this tree went right where I wanted it. And obviously it's off the ground, so it'll be easy to buck without getting the saw in the dirt. So everything went well.